What is up, you guys? Skull here, and today we're going to be playing Demon Slayer W add-on Demon Slayer WG mod. I actually don't know what the creator is, but it's on the top right there. Right there! I can't stand that. Yeah, anyway. I had to get something about creative mode because I get this out of creative mode because I'm not trying to kill demons. And this, cause I don't do this spawn at. I still don't know what spawn at, but anyway. Get that. I'm going to. Also, we are in 1. Oh, that's lucky. But we are in 1.18. I don't know why I did that. It sounded so weird and it was like, that scared me. Okay, some food. And that's a snow block. Well, dang. But anyway, guys, we are going to be... I'll go to max out the... Like, I'm not going to fight demons right now. Like, and also... I'll start bringing crabs. Why do I hear lava? No, I can't hear lava. I don't know what... Oh, there's blacksmith. Oh, that's cool. Okay. What's the mouth still? Early iron pickaxe. No, I'm gonna do myself a favor and go mining. I knew there was a mama bear, but I don't know where. I knew there was a mama bear, but I did not know where though. I don't know where to go. Yeah, I don't know where to go, guys. Oh. Why am I doing? I'm gonna go. I'm gonna at Y12. Get some iron. I will be looking for diamonds right now, but I gotta make this video quickly because I already wasted 3 minutes talking and doing random stuff. So y'all know my timer on here, cause y'all saw multiple times. And honestly, it's 15 minutes. I could cut the video sometimes, you know what? To make it longer for me and short for y'all. I'm gonna now. This is all the things we got. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good, guys. Ready to the first mission. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm doing this at this point. It took me forever. The other items I have right now. You're here to get food. I have no. Nah, dang. I know, man. 2 golden apples. Lapis I don't think I really need right now. And this. I got creative mode. Why did I mention this again? I don't remember. But anyway, we're gonna spawn you in and do this mission. Now we wait. Oh no. And now, part of Demon Slayer Core. They do 14 attack damage, guys. Same as now. Oh my god. It's taking for. Oh my god. Yes! Yes. It's supposed to be yes, I think. Yeah, it's supposed to be yes. Now I need to find him again. And give him this. Oh. Get away. Gotta keep getting demons. More blood. Why did I say that, man? Why did I say that? Oh my, no, away! No, leave just alone. Ah! Again, double teamed. Ooh. Wait, why he say? Why he say? I can't read. I don't speak Spanish. But I know he is saying that I had to do this ice. What's your name again? Oh yeah, I'm in Korea. I can type really fast when I'm really needing it. Other times I don't type really fast. Odo Kodaki. And that kid, that was really, really bad. What? That was really bad typing. I'll be back when I find him. I found him. Yes. I have to spawn him in. Nickering sword. Let's go. Shift 1, 2. I think it's another Nickering sword, guys. I don't remember. But right now, we gotta do the second mission. And be really, really quick about it. You gotta go somewhere so the mission can stay. We can do this quickly. Oh my god, there's so many cuts in one video. Oh my god. That's what do you want to see my bro? I think I deleted Steam. I don't remember. I don't know why I made that video and deleted that again. Deleted Steam, but I don't know why. Quest Demon Slayer quest, okay. What's in my inventory? Oh! Okay. What was that? Second hand. Shift model. I'll do that again. Wait. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait. Oh, look at this! Okay. What everything? First form! What is every slip? They look so sick. Oh, I gotta be quick in and out. Right, 2, 1, go. In and out. Ooh, my eyes. I mean, I said the animation. Oh! What is 7 flat? Oh, they did no damage. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. Oh, they trapped me. This is why I made these. Oh my god, look, I got some wood. Look, I brought some wood with me. Up. Bridge up. Stupid demons. They can't build up. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, gotta quick with these guys. Gotta quick. Send near and go. Hit it. Oh no! 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 I grabbed everything! Three, two. Hey! Oh, wait, hold it up. Oh, I actually like it. I think I keep the boots and this one, you know. But for now, I'm a true Demon Slayer. Honestly, I have saturation on, but okay. And the game glitched. Like, I saw that about cut for a second, but okay. I hate you guys so much. Why did I do that? Puppy! Oh my god, you're so cute. Leave name in the comment. Leave name in the... Wait, can I just... Wait. Wait a minute. Wait, second form? That says second form, guys. Hold on. I'm not crazy. Hold on. Hang on, guys. That actually the second form. My first form back out, trust me. Okay. Load. I press mode twice. See this. But if you do want a second episode, drop a like. If we get at least 2 likes, that'd be great. If we just do this. Water breathing. First form. Water serpent slash. That did not work. Oh. The animation. Water breathing. Second form. Water wheel. My life. Oh! Oh no! Get him, puppy! Get him, boy! My puppy! I killed him. Oh crap, I'm dumb. Me talking about animations, I killed my puppy. What was that? No. Get away, 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 get away. Get away! Get away, please. No. Get away. Like I was saying, if I want another episode, drop a like because I'll get interrupted by demons. A lot of them. That's the first one. Oh, I'm dumb. Oh, there's the second form, didn't I? First form. So if I keep, wait, I'll hold shift and hit. There we go. My Nichiren sword. And in my hand now. Now we're safe. Like I said, second episode, drop a like. And if y'all want me to do more WG content, he have another mod. It's the One Piece mod. That I love that mod. Not gonna lie, I love it. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. And then for Water Serpent Slash. And not forgetting when Water Serpent Slash.